Finding the equation of a line given 2 points. In the last example, we were given both a point and the slope of a line, and we used the point-slope formula to find equations. In this example, we have two separate points, and we want to figure out what the equation of the line is between them. And we're asked to write the answer in standard form. Standard form looks like this: ax plus by equals c. This is standard, as opposed to y equals mx plus b. This is called slope-intercept form, because we can see the slope, which is m, and the y-intercept, which is b. Because we're not given a slope, we have to start by finding the slope between these 2 points. So I'll do y2 minus y1. So I'll do 5 minus 3 over 5 minus 1. And it looks like I'm getting 2 over 4, or 1/2 for my slope. Next, I'll use the point slope formula. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And I can use either of the points here. I'm just going to use 5, 5. It doesn't matter which point you use at this point. So we'll do y minus 5 equaling 1/2 x minus 5. Now I'm going to distribute that 1/2. And I want to rearrange this into standard form. And one of the things about standard form is we don't have fractions. So I am going to multiply both sides of this equation by 2 to clear the fractions there. So we have 2y minus 10, and then we'll have x minus 5. And then I want to get the variables onto one side and the numbers onto the other side. So let's subtract x from both sides. And then we'll add 10 to both sides. Oops, forgot the x there. Let's go back and rewrite this. 2y minus x minus 10. And then we'll add 10 to both sides. Move up here. 2y minus x equals 5. We typically put the x in the front, so negative x plus 2y equals 5. This should be the standard form. Let's go to Desmos to check our answer. So over here in Desmos, I graphed the 2 points that we were given, and then I put the equation that we found for our final answer, and you can see that that line does in fact go through both points, so we know we found the correct answer. Example B, let's start by finding the slope. We'll take negative 6 minus 10, subtracting the y values, and then 5 minus a negative 3, subtracting the x values. So I'm getting negative 16 over 5 plus 3, which is negative 16 over 8, or negative 2. All right, now what we'll do is we will use the point slope formula. And we can use either of the points. Let's use the first one. Doesn't matter which one we use. Let's do y minus 10. Our slope is negative 2. And then x minus a negative 3. To rewrite this in standard form, I need to distribute the 2 on the right-hand side. And then move the x to the left. And move the 10 over to the right. It looks like 4. All right, let's check our answer in Desmos. This should be 2x plus y equals 4. We want the x to come first. We've graphed our 2 points, -3, 10, and 5, -6. And here's the final answer that we got, and it matches the line, and the line is going through both of the points, so that looks like it's our correct answer.